Our journey begins in vast tropical pineapple plantations where thousands of plants are carefully monitored and nurtured until they reach perfect ripeness for harvesting. Skilled farm workers move through the fields, using curved knives to expertly cut each ripe pineapple from its plant, ensuring only premium quality fruit makes it to the next stage.
We need another basket coming right up.
Freshly harvested pineapples are loaded onto agricultural trucks and transported from the farm to the Moderen processing facility, where transformation into juice will begin.
The crates coming down.
Got it. Send in the next batch.
Upon arrival at the
Placing in
factory,
bin 1.
every pineapple undergoes careful
Noted.
inspection by
Batch
quality
42
control experts who
confirmed.
verify ripeness, color, and overall condition before approving them for processing. The pineapples enter industrial rotating drum washers where high-pressure water jets remove all field dirt, debris, and contaminants, followed by a sanitizing rinse to ensure food safety. Advanced optical sensors and automated systems sort the clean pineapples by size and quality grade, directing each fruit to the appropriate processing line for optimal efficiency. Precision cutting machines remove both the spiky green crown and the tough base stem, transforming the pineapples into uniform cylindrical shapes ready for peeling. Sophisticated automated peeling machines remove the tough outer skin and spiral ribbons, while coring equipment extracts the hard central core, leaving only the sweet golden flesh. The prepared pineapple cylinders pass through multi-blade slicing machines that cut them into perfectly uniform rings in just seconds, ready for juice extraction. Industrial screw press machines crush and squeeze the pineapple pieces, extracting every drop of golden juice while separating out the fibrous pulp for recycling. The freshly pressed juice flows through multi-stage filtration systems and high-speed centrifuges that remove particles and cloudiness, producing brilliantly clear golden juice. The clarified juice is rapidly heated to 185 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds to eliminate harmful bacteria, then quickly cooled to preserve fresh flavor and nutritional value.
The turbidity levels are dropping faster than projected.
Yes, the system is performing optimally. Inlet temperature at 68, heating zone stable at 185.
Flow rates are good. Final cooling looks spot on at 980.
Laboratory technicians conduct comprehensive tests measuring sugar content, acidity, color, and microbiology to ensure every batch meets strict quality and safety standards before bottling.
Confirmed. Let's approve for bottling.
Approved pasteurized juice is pumped into massive refrigerated stainless steel tanks, where it's held at precisely controlled temperatures until bottling operations are ready.
Are we still on schedule for the next bottling run?
Yes, tank 3 is set to green. We have enough volume.
We're scheduling the orange blend for line 3 at 10. Is tank 4B available?
Yes, confirmed. Volume and temperature are optimal. Aligning valves now.
Before production begins, empty plastic bottles are cleaned, sterilized with high-pressure rinses, and positioned on high-speed conveyor systems ready to receive the golden juice. Automated filling heads dispense exact portions of pineapple juice into each bottle with incredible precision, followed by immediate application of tamper-evident screw caps to seal in freshness. Colorful product labels featuring vibrant pineapple imagery are wrapped around each bottle, and production dates along with batch codes are printed for complete traceability. Every single bottle passes through sophisticated vision systems and detection equipment that verify fill level, cap integrity, label placement, and absence of any defects before packaging approval. Approved bottles are automatically grouped into 6-packs with shrink-wrap packaging, then loaded into corrugated cardboard cases and stacked onto pallets for efficient
A
shipping.
wide shot reveals the automated packaging operation, where approved bottles are grouped and prepared for distribution.
Wrapped pallets containing thousands of bottles are stored in climate-controlled warehouses and loaded onto refrigerated trucks for delivery to retail locations across the region.
Bring it back a foot.
Manifest confirms. Load is secure.
All right, bring it forward. Easy now. That's good.
Route 4 manifest confirmed. Are we sealed?
Yes, all secure.
16 pallets of the tropical fresh juice confirmed. Perfect. We'll start unloading those first.
Morning. Got your tropical fresh order here.
Great. Let's confirm the count on the juice pallets.
The journey ends at your local supermarket where the fresh pineapple juice is beautifully displayed in refrigerated cases, ready for you to enjoy the fruits of this incredible farm-to-bottle process.